The story of Crown Asia Chemicals Corporation began in 1989 in Giginto, Bulacan, with 22 employees, one machine, and little capital, with the trading of plastics, synthetic resins, compounds, and related products.
The reason why we started it because it was through the encouragement of Walter that I should come out and from employment and do something on my own.
We really started small before, and each and every one of us have to work really hard.
In June of 1990, the company started production and sale of PVC compounds, which it started exporting in 1994.
Ayun nga, nung una namin, mga manual pa lang. Ngayon, mga automatic na, mga computerized na.
Malayo-layo na po yung natakbo namin, narating. Well, ano po kami sa export, nag-export na kami, as well as the local, nagko-compete na kami sa international.
PVC, or polyvinyl chloride, is the third most produced synthetic polymer plastic in the world, with the most researched international standards of safety. It is durable, non-toxic, and fire-resistant. PVC is also resistant to weathering, chemical rotting, corrosion, shock, and abrasion, and has been proven to have no more effect on the environment than its alternatives. In 2003, the company diversified yet again, adding to the PVC products line with IC packaging tubes, films, bottles, as well as window and door profiles, joining the established compounds for wires and cables. In 1997, the company was granted an ISO 9000 certification by QMS International and regularly updates its ISO certifications. Research and development is another company priority, including the study of new compounds for medical applications.
It's really very challenging in the sense that you cannot stop innovating. You have to continue to look for ways of improvement, not just with the products but also with the processes.
Crown Asia has become one of the top players in the compounds industry. In 1998, despite a financial crisis, the company saw an opportunity to begin making pipes as downstream products of its compounds business. The Pipes Group was created.
We are targeting to be the preferred and to be the #1 pipe supplier here in the Philippines.
That same year, the company launched its flexible PVC electrical pipes. Over the next 4 years, Crown Asia added PVC electrical conduit pipes, potable water pipes, and PVC sanitary pipes and fittings. In 2006, CACC explored the HDPE market, subjecting the new products to the same quality assurance testing its products had been known for. That same year, the company also started making pressure main distribution pipes and telecommunication conduit pipes. CACC has constantly been expanding and upgrading its facilities at the Bulacan plant, where production has been running 24 hours a day for years. In June of 2012, Certification International Philippines Incorporated issued a certification of registration to Crown for its Pipes Group and a recertification for its Compounds Group. All the experience and calculated risks have provided momentum for even bigger growth. For 2015, the first major innovation was the acquisition once again of the latest, fully automated equipment.
High-tech na rin yung ginagamit namin equipment. Before high-tech na rin, we're using a German machinery.
Crown Asia is now the first international standard manufacturer of these PPR pipes for high-pressure hot and cold water applications in the Philippines.
We are going full-scale into manufacturing of pipes, and we are coming up with 185 molds for the fittings, which should complete anything that the contractors would need.
And to ensure that production stays uninterrupted and to protect its investment in its new production lines and increased power requirements, Crown Asia has also installed a customized flood control system to protect its manufacturing facility from the country's storms. Crown Asia also takes pride in its perfect safety record, Personnel are required to work with full safety gear and after mastery of company safety procedures. Crown Asia's consistent excellence and steady growth can be attributed to two factors. First, the company constantly reinvests in the latest, fully automated equipment while continuously seeking the best, most cost-efficient sources of raw materials. Secondly, Crown Asia treats its people like family, which makes all the difference. From its lean initial staff of 22, the company now has over 200 regular, probationary, and contractual employees.
Among the most important asset a company can have is the human resources. And people who have stayed, they know the in and out, the hardship we went through, and they have been with us, and we really want to take care of them.
Ang tingin ko sa kanila parang family na. You're after 32 years ka mag-work. Yung GM namin ngayon, si Sir Derek, nakita ko yan, pinanganak yan. He was way back 1982. Ngayon siya na, boss ko.
Parang pangalawang tahanan na rin kasi mula dun sa pamilya ko talaga, sa nanay, tatay ko, sa mga lolo ko, talagang parang nag-umpisa na dito nun pa. So parang ito na talaga yung naging trabaho. So parang yun kasi maganda naman talaga yung pamalakad din.
Maayos naman yung mga policies and then mga benefits.
People may just say it's just a job, but it's different when you have that added thing, that feeling of ownership for the job. It makes them hardworking, it makes them serious.
With all the improvements and their proven stability over 25 years, the time was ripe to make a giant leap, a bold new move to go public.
It starts with one machine, lots of dreams and lots of hopes and lots of confidence.
This is like a confirmation of our hard work because not everybody can be a public company.
As a new day dawns on Crown Asia Chemicals Corporation, it has fully prepared for the big challenge of becoming the top innovator and undisputed leader in the Philippine compounds and pipes industries.